Cross Country Roadshow. RJR Gleaner has what you came for.
This week on the RJR Gleaner Communications Group Cross Country Invasion, the spotlight is on Region 3, Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth.
Cross Country.
The Cross Country Invasion journeyed to St. Matthew's Anglican Church in St. Elizabeth for our gospel service.
Everything that lives receive its truest free.
Throughout the week, radio brands, Hits 92 FM, Fame 95 FM, Power 106 FM, Radio Jamaica 94 FM kept the party going on their outside broadcast. Then, the weekend, Friday night, saw the much anticipated street jam being kept in Siloah, St. Elizabeth for the first time.
It's just fun and enjoyment, to be honest, you get a lot of feature, Give thanks to TVJ for putting on such a wonderful event over the years, The knowings come with a lot of work, a lot of hard work and dedication, you see me? And put pen and paper together, and put out good message, you're always gonna get a good feedback,
Hosted by the Star and Fame FM, the Street Jam hosted a jingle competition and gave away $10,000 to the person who created the best jingle about the People's Paper.
Alright, like PM, we keep it blazing. Una hear me lyrics and bubble and azing. Just like April and fire me blazing. You don't know who you hear on the radio.
On Saturday, the Cross Country Roadshow featuring exciting performances from Kevin Downswell, Beanie Man, The Angel, Macka Diamond, Ikea, Sugar, Tanso, Sniper King, and Code X dancers.
The table and the chair turn for him. Such a turn and be a turn it for him. So what? He learned the hard way.
Me say money give you everything. He give you all everything. Me say money you me toothpaste. Money fi stuck up in a suitcase. Side to side, so. Me say them can't stop you from your work on. Manchester, work on. Me say what to believe and you serve God. Put him up. I see your light. Money. Don't let you let go. Me want me come. Tell Shelly Belly them say me want me come. Listen what I say. Never why you say me feel good. Now you know them was right.
The fans been nice so far. Everything I got good so far. I have a lot of new songs out there too. I have a song on Sean Paul beat. I have a song released by Snow Cone too and all of these things. And I have other things coming out and things. But right now, I produce a new song called Who God Bless. I have an album coming out this year, so look forward for it and things.
Fans are loving it because at the end of the day, that's who we do music for. The fans. And me and Beanie, we're two good performers, great performers. I learned a lot from him.
Saturday also featured an exciting, fun-filled day at Manchester High.
Drink as the first person messes up your out. We're looking to see who can finish that juice.
The RJR Gleaner Communications Group Cross Country Invasion moves into Region 4. Look out for your favorite radio personalities in Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James. Then, on Saturday, February 29, come and celebrate our island or village at our fun day at Godfrey Stewart High. See you on the road. Brought to you by Cal CALS Manufacturing. CALS, where quality joins affordability. Ministry of Health, Jamaica moves. More moments, more memories, more life. National Chalk Sandwich Cookies. Grab one pack, have it all, till it's done. Digicel Foundation. Together we create a world where no one is left behind. Montego Bay Convention Center. Functional, flexible, focused. Rose Hall Development. A whole new world. Jamaica Customs. Country above self. Island Aries. Island Aries is Jamaica's BEST best. Guardian General. Get there safely with Guardian General Insurance. Financial Services Commission, promoting integrity in the financial sector.